Welcome to this training video on Interpret SELDM, the post-processor for the Stochastic Empirical Loading and Dilution model SELDM. This video and the associated software were prepared by the U.S. Geological Survey in cooperation with the Federal Highway Administration. In this video, we will show you how to create a transport curve scatter plot from all the analyses in a selected SELDM project. Once a project is selected, the first step is to select the type of output interpretation to do from the combo box. In this case, we will select the transport curve graph item. When we click the Interpret Output button, the Interpret SELDM program digs through all the SELDM analyses to identify the data to graph. The transport curve constituent selection form opens. Transport curves, which are relations between streamflow and concentration, are calculated for upstream storm flows only. To select a constituent to graph, click on that constituent in the list box. Once you select the constituent, click the Make the Graph button to proceed. The graphing form opens to the Select Values tab with all available selections. The transport curve graph provides the option for graphing the simulated concentrations and the associated transport curve values. Click on the checkboxes to select the items to graph. Click on a checkbox again to deselect the item. Now we click the Update Graph button to make the graph. The Interpret SELDM program uses another program named dplot to make the graphs. The dplot window opens, makes the graph, and is minimized almost instantly. The Interpret SELDM program copies the graph from dplot and opens the View Graph tab. Left-clicking within the graph will show the coordinates of the click point in the data text boxes in the upper left corner of the tab. Right-clicking on the graph will copy an editable version of the graph to the clipboard. The message box confirms that the graph is ready to be pasted into another application. Click the Select Values tab so we can return to the main menu. Now, click the Return to Main Menu button to close the constituent form and return to the main menu. This concludes our video for graphing transport curves with the Interpret SELDM program.